Good morning, friend. Today we will discuss about the what is the major challenges for the safety departments. If you are working a safety professional and safety officers, manager and supervisors, so there are big challenges where is major challenges for safety department toward the improvements a good environment health safety cultures at the project. If you if you anyone ask these questions from in interview, then that is clear criteria and clear understanding the major challenges in construction field. So there are different type of challenges. If you are working in organizations, another organizations, different organizations, different challenges. Maybe generally if common challenges are there, our first is major challenges for or how to develop skill for the construction worker. You know that each and every workers, most of workers, literate and unskilled, they are not aware about the safety, importance of safety. They are not understanding the life. They are not understanding the importance of hazards, arts controls measures and risk. So this is a biggest challenges in construction industry. How to train them, how to how to who, how to comes everyone's on single track for the improvements of safety cultures. Because of there are different and states workers are coming and different villages, so they are not understand the importance of safety. Sometimes sometimes you have observed some genetic problem, genetic safety violations, and some people, some workers are very less age, so they are learning from the incidents. They are try to who achievements anything without any for wrong procedures, by the wrong procedures. So biggest challenges in construction industry is labors and workers skill development, because that is a big challenge. Because of accidents happen in construction industry, most of workers are involvements and workers injury and death of workers, because of are a they are working in 100, they are working in during the work expose the majority of hazards by the workers. So you have to how you will train the workers. So big challenges. Second challenges is how to identify the hazards. Because you second challenges why we are talking, because of some organizations are very less monitoring, very less resource to identify the hazards. Because if you have not identified the hazards at the workplace, then how to take control measures. You know that if you are working in different organizations, some area, some projects, there is nothing, any work method statements, nothing follow the risk assessment, nothing follow the inspections checklist. So that is a big deviations, that is a big challenges for the hazard identification. Some people, some organizations are working short duration, suppose the non-routine work, they are not established the risk assessment. So that is a major challenge. If you are working in PMC, working in client organizations, then you will also face these problems. Contractors not submitting the not submitting um, submit the risk assessments for the particular activity after your many reminders. So that is a biggest challenges for safety departments and on toward the assessing the risk assessments. Third is there are challenge bigger challenges in construction industry. Very less support from the administration team, support the engineer, project managers, and others Earth team, because of they are focused on the work. They are focusing on target, how to achievement, and work, how to achievement the target, how to achievement of billing target. So they most of focus on this particular activity, or they are avoiding the any types of safety, safety observation, safety activity. So how, if you are working a safety professional, so that is you should know that where is gap, because of if there is no involvement of senior management and engineer supervisors, there is very difficult to improvements good infrastructures and good safety cultures in project, because that is a not single responsibility for safety departments and workers. So you have to focus, you have to identify, you have to face this type of challenges and work on more and more toward the improvements safety cultures. Fourth is lack of commitments by the managing director, by the senior management, because of safety improvements not a safety officer's responsibility. Because if you are going to improvement safety cultures, then you have to have mm, provided the resource, provided the financials, provided the particular activity finance, everything you have you you have to have. But if you think about the safety, so does not do anything, because of because of management's commitment is very important, because of they will provided the finance, they will provided the resource, they will provide the equipments, they will provided the everything about the safety. So very importance to safety commitments, strong commitment by the senior management, by the managing director. So some different organizations, there are very good strong commitments, but they are failed to compliance safety observation, compliance the safety audit, legal list of legal requirement, everything in commitments is only. So that is a big challenges for the safety departments. If you have anything in place, if you have set all those procedures are there, you have to set up, but you don't have any resource, you don't have finance, you don't have any equipments for the perform the safety. So what you will do? Suppose that we can discuss about the scaffolding. If you have safe scaffolding, you have sufficient numbers of materials, so then you will erect and then you will safely work at height. Otherwise, there is very difficult. So, management commitments is very important and very very needs for the toward the safety improvement. So there is big challenges for safety departments, because you have a commitments, but there is very less support from the organized. Third is there next challenges is there budget. Budget is a very important some if you are working in a project, so there is very less support because of safety. Everyone should know that safety is non-productivity, because of they will understand when accidents happen at your workplace, then they then and company will be responsible, company will be understand what is the what is the safety of safety at the workplace, why we should follow the safety. After that, if organizations and invest at lost most many organizations invest the money toward the, if in case of any accidents happens, then they will understand safety is importance, because of financial impact is a very bad things if you have faced that problem. So bigger challenges you can say budget. Safety department also struggling of very less budget. Suppose that if you are going to motivational program, if you are going to safety conduct, safety audit, safety system, safety promotional activity, so what you have planned, then you have to have money, you have to have finance, you have to have a proper budget. So there are very less budget for the safety department for the safety purpose or promotional activity and other things we can say. Third is there. mm, next is there next challenges is there very uh, next challenges is there very less time, sorry, very less time. Next challenges is their safety design. Design is because of that if you are working in construction field, are sometimes cross the sometimes deviations in design. If company deviations in design, suppose that if you have designed the scaffolding 30 meters height and you have to support, but there are many deviations if they are going to work on site. So this deviations is a bigger challenge in for safety departments. So how to mitigate, how to who alert about the safety, because of most of accidents happen in constructions any area because of very less of design team, very less of support. If you have a proper scaffolding designs, but sometimes you have observed as per the design they are not erecting on site, so that is a major challenge, so that you are facing that problem. So you have to, there are different types of challenges, but that is a common challenges we will discuss, we have discussed for the i- for the your knowledge and for your for actions purpose. Thanks.